You can set up tax collection for your Nexus states in just a few minutes. Once you're logged into your Seller Central account, select Settings and then click Tax Settings, which brings you to this page. From here, select View, Edit your tax collection obligations, and, well, you get the idea. Click there. Now first, you'll consider your product tax codes. The default code you choose here will apply to all items that you sell, unless you apply a different tax code to the item listing itself. Selecting a default code of AGEN tax will ensure that Amazon applies sales taxes to all of your products in the states where you've enabled tax collection. Now, if you sell a mix of items that are taxed differently from state to state, like clothing, supplements, or groceries, you can make sure Amazon applies the appropriate tax in each state by adding product tax codes to these items in your listings feed or when you add a new product listing to your account. You can view a list of supported product tax codes when you click on View Master Product Tax Codes and Rules from the Tax Manager page in Seller Central. Now, getting back to your tax settings, it's time to tell Amazon the states where you'd like them to collect taxes. You can either let Amazon calculate the rates for each state, or you can select a custom flat rate for a state. TaxJar's Sales Tax Guide for Amazon sellers has recommended settings you can mirror for each state and jurisdiction to make sure you're collecting correctly. You'll also need to choose tax settings for shipping and handling and gift wrapping, and TaxJar's guide also explains what you should select for each of these as well. Once you have our guide open, find your state and apply the settings we suggest by checking the corresponding boxes in Seller Central. You'll also need to enter your state sales tax license or registration number before enabling tax collection. Now, once you're done with this, scroll to the bottom of the page and review the changes before saving your settings for good. You should start to see sales tax applied to the products in your Nexus states within 72 hours of making these changes.